Substantial evidence, notably including the exponential rise of methane in the atmosphere since 2007, indicates the Clathrate gun has been fired from beneath the relatively shallow reaches of the Arctic Ocean. Based on this information, back in late November 2014, Ottawa University climate scientist Paul Beckwith predicted a 5 or 6 degrees Celsius temperature rise within a decade or two. Beckwith is taking into account only the release of methane from clathrates in the Arctic Ocean. We know methane is coming from many other places around the globe as well. Within the span of a decade or two, methane is more than 100 times more powerful a greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide, molecule for molecule. Excluding methane and taking into account only carbon dioxide as a greenhouse gas, we've already locked in a 6 degrees centigrade global average temperature rise. According to the business as usual folks at the International Energy Agency, such a rise in global average temperature occurs as quickly as 2050, a short 35 years from now. Again, this assessment, like nearly every other major assessment, takes into account only carbon dioxide as a greenhouse gas. It also ignores myriad self-reinforcing feedback loops already underway. I see no way for human habitat to persist at a 4°C rise in global average temperature, much less at a 5 or 6°C rise. After all, we are human animals. Like other animals, we require food and water to survive. Disruptions in supplies of food and water are already occurring and contribute to the early deaths of 5 million people each year attributed to climate change. A significant body of published work, written as early as 2007, most notably including publications by the University of Utah's Tim Garrett, indicate that only collapse of civilization prevents runaway climate change. Maintaining civilization equates to maintaining the monetary system that has taken us to the brink of extinction. It appears Garrett's work, like that of many conservative institutions of academic science and the work they produce, is too little, too late. A rapid rise in global average temperature has already been triggered.